Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit videos in Canva step by step. Canva makes video editing simple, so even beginners can create professional-looking videos for YouTube, social media, presentations, and more. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the home page, click Create a Design and choose Video. This will open the Canva video editor with a blank project. Next, click Uploads on the left side and upload the video you want to edit from your computer. Once the upload is complete, drag the video onto the canvas or timeline to begin editing. Now select the video. If you want to remove unwanted parts, use the trim option and drag the handles to shorten the beginning or end of the clip. This is a quick way to clean up your video. To improve the appearance of your video, click Edit or Edit Video. Depending on your Canva version, you can adjust settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, or apply filters to give your video a different look. Next, click Text to add a title or caption to your video. You can change the font, size, color, and position to match your style. If you want to make the video more attractive, open the Elements section and add icons, shapes, or graphics. Take a moment to preview your project and make sure everything looks the way you want. Rearrange the text or graphics if needed and check that the timing feels right. When you're finished editing, click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Download. Select MP4 video as the file format, then click Download to export your final video. And that's it. You've successfully edited a video in Canva. With these basic tools, you can create high-quality videos quickly and easily without using complicated editing software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.